Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best GoPro Hero Charger is probably one of the most important accessories for any GoPro enthusiast, ensuring you're always ready to capture breathtaking footage without the frustration of a dead battery. This in-depth review will explore its charging speed, compatibility with various GoPro models, build quality, and overall user experience, helping you decide if it's the right charger for your action-packed adventures. We'll also compare it to other chargers on the market, examining its strengths and weaknesses to give you a comprehensive understanding. Number 5. GoPro Hero 12 Dual Battery Charger. This charger is designed to optimize charging, getting your batteries fully charged as quickly as possible. It's an essential accessory for any GoPro Hero 12 user. The dual LED lights clearly show the charging status of both batteries simultaneously. You'll always know when your batteries are ready to go. It works with both Enduro and standard GoPro batteries, giving you the flexibility you need. No more worrying about compatibility issues. The included Enduro batteries boast an impressive 1,720 mAh capacity. They significantly improve your camera's performance, especially in various temperatures. You get the dual battery charger, 2 Enduro batteries, and a USB-C cable. Everything you need to keep your GoPro powered up and ready for action. With this charger and Enduro batteries, you'll never miss a shot due to low battery. Capture more, worry less. What we like. It boasts a rapid charge time and provides visual charging updates. If you need to quickly power up your batteries and want the best performance, this is the one for you. Its Enduro batteries offer superior performance and longer life, making it ideal for extended shoots. What people say. The dual charger is a lifesaver. No more waiting around for batteries to take turns juicing up. This thing lets me charge 2 GoPro batteries at once, which is perfect for those all-day filming sessions or weekend getaways. The Enduro batteries are specifically designed to enhance your GoPro's performance, especially in cold weather. I've noticed a significant improvement in battery life and performance since switching to these. Capacity to charge 2 batteries at once is convenient. The faster charging and improved performance in cold water make the Enduro batteries excellent. Number 4. TELESIN GoPro Charger. This charger is designed for your GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, and 9 batteries. It's a convenient way to keep your batteries powered up and ready to go. It features 3 charging slots, allowing you to charge up to 3 batteries simultaneously. This saves you valuable time. It's fully compatible with your original GoPro batteries and charges them rapidly. Expect a full charge in about 2 hours. It's equipped with multiple safety features, including overcurrent, overvoltage, and overtemperature protection. This ensures safe and reliable charging. The LED indicator lights let you know the charging status at a glance. Red means charging, and green means it's done. It's compact, lightweight, and doubles as a protective carrying case. Take it with you wherever you go. What we like. This charger can simultaneously charge 3 batteries, saving you valuable time. If you frequently use multiple batteries and prioritize safety, this is a great option. Its compact design also makes it perfect for travel and storage. What people say. Unit allows you to charge up to 3 batteries at a time. Front LED lights give current status of the battery charge. Can even use power bank to charge battery if no AC outlet available. Charges up to 3, lights will tell you what the charge level is, and when it's done. Completely quiet, doesn't have any weird smells odor like some other electronics I've had. The TELESIN battery charger for GoPro Hero 12 11 10 9 Black is an absolute lifesaver for anyone who relies on their GoPro for capturing adventures. With its 3-slot design, I can charge multiple batteries simultaneously, ensuring I never miss a moment. The compact USB design makes it perfect for on-the-go charging and fits in the original GoPro case I received. Number 3. Suptig GoPro Charging Cable. This cable is perfect for your GoPro. It's compatible with many models, from the Hero 5 to the latest Hero 13. It works with a wide range of action cameras, not just GoPros. It's also compatible with Acaso, DJI Osmo, and Insta360 cameras. Charge your camera and transfer your data simultaneously. It's fast and efficient. No more fumbling around. The USB-C connector is reversible, making it easy to plug in. It's built to last. The durable TPE coating and reinforced cable head ensure a long lifespan. You get two 3.28-foot cables, plus a 12-month warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. What we like. Get 2 cables for double the convenience and reliability. If you're looking for a durable and efficient charging solution, this is a smart choice. The reversible connector and long lifespan make it perfect for frequent use. What people say. Great product, works just like the origami cable that comes with GoPro products. Awesome set of 2, worked perfect for my GoPro charging port for batteries. Works with my motorcycle mounted GoPro 8. Number 2. PWR GoPro USB Cable. This cable is designed for your GoPro cameras. It's 6 feet long and supports high-speed data transfer. It offers universal data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. Get your footage transferred quickly and easily. It's made with the highest quality materials for durability and reliability. You can trust it to perform. This cable works with a wide range of GoPro models, including Hero HD, Hero 2, Hero 3, Hero 3 Plus, and Hero 4. Check the compatibility list to make sure it works with your camera. We offer a 30-day refund and a 24-month exchange warranty. Our friendly customer support team is always here to help. Rest assured, it meets CE/FCC RoHS safety standards. It's built to the highest safety standards. What we like. Enjoy a longer cable for more flexible charging options. If you need a cable that also supports data transfer, this is the one. The long warranty provides peace of mind. What people say. Works as a data transfer cable for my GoPro Hero really well to put my videos and pictures format onto my computer so I can show other people what I filmed and took pictures of, and the cable is longer than the one provided with the GoPro. This cable worked as expected. This 6-foot charging unit for my GoPro is what I needed to allow me to attach the GoPro to a variety of surfaces and areas on my race car to record my drag race runs. Number 1. Hero 10 Battery Charger Station. It's fully compatible with your Hero 9, 10, 11, and 12 black cameras. These replacement batteries give you extra power for all your adventures. This triple battery charging station lets you charge up to 3 batteries simultaneously. Never miss a moment because of a low battery again. The LED indicators clearly show you the charging status of each battery. Red means charging, and green means it's fully charged. With an upgraded 1800 mAh capacity, they provide longer recording times. Capture every important moment without interruption. Its solid cover protects your batteries during travel. Take it anywhere and always have backup power. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, we offer a 12-month replacement guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Charge 3 batteries at once with clear visual charging indicators. If you value convenience and portability, this is a great option. The portable design and included batteries make it perfect for on-the-go use. What people say. Small, lightweight, comes with 3 battery level indicator lights, charges 3 batteries at a time. Comes with 2 extra batteries. Charger rapidly charges the batteries. Able to charge multiple batteries at once, and they make for a nice storage case for the batteries. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.